Kain na po tayo. Let's eat. Daming food. Come
Lunch time
here.
again, nakipag-lunch na naman.
Come, Dala. Come here.
Luto natin Minding sa salad master niya.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, hello.
This is Rella. How are you? Hello, Ate.
Hi darling, how are you?
Where are you? You're...
I'm Gentle. Gonna try to dig some sapphire.
Oh, wow. Hi, Ate Lynn.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, thanks. I'm hungry.
This is our host, Nanay Pelomena. And this is beautiful Mrs. Moni.
Kahit hindi.
And this is our lovely visitor from Emerald. Ate Mela. Hi. And very sexy. And this is our food. Meron kaming saging. Meron kaming barbecue. And then meron kaming pusit. Meron of course our rice. Hindi talaga nawawala ang rice. And then this one. This what you call that, Nay? This one is chicken.
Is stew lang.
Ah, okay, yeah. And this is pancit. Cooked by Salad Master Cookware.
We have rice
And
here.
this one, Australian chicken.
It's her birthday. That's why we have.
It's Kuya Rab birthday today.
Happy birthday.
Yeah. We are here at the Jim Pelts.
That's why.
Oh, wow.
That's why I'm cooking. It's her birthday. Happy birthday, Rob.
Happy birthday, Kuya Rob. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hip hip. Hip hip.
Umorder ako ng cake ni Nancy. Hindi na cook ang cake kasi naubusan siya ng gas.
Ano?
Walang gas.
Ito yung ito yung paligid. Saglit lang. Mamaya na tayo mag-live guys kasi nandito pa ang host nyo, nagala, nakikain at nagsugal ng tongit, nagsugal ng baraha. So, huwag pahuli ng pulis.
Sabihin mo, tumawag na ako ng pulis. Hindi pa dumating.
Pulis. Ayan na Naglaro kami.
May brown pa ako. Ang itim, ang amay ko. I only got one now, ati.
Yung bayan
Pero yung puti,
Sobrang init dito sa amin. Ito yung paligid. Bukid ito. Bukid siya.
Yung brown malambot na kaya.
Bukid. 45 drive from our bahay. Tignan mo yung mangga guys. Ayan mangga. Ang dami. Pwede na siyang kainin. Walang bala. Wala siyang what you call that? Wala pa siyang liso. Pwede siyang isawsaw sa soup.
Ang ginagawa mo dyan?
Nag-live. Baka makahanap ako ng syuta. Ha? Pwede pa ba ako maghanap?
I'm driving. I can't drink.
Hanap tayo ng papa.
Hanap ng papa.
Kain muna kami guys, tapos maglaro kami ng tog, tapos mamaya mag-live tayo doon sa game natin.
Yes.
See ya! Bye!
Kapansit ko ako ng
Kasi ba? Salamat tayo na.
Ba't ang liit naman yan?
Ito yung malaki yung sa akin.